This is a guide video for unboxing the e-bike BK11. Open the box and take it out. Remove all the packages. Remove the 4 screws of the cover. Adjust the brake lever and tighten the screws. Cover the top screw plug. Assemble the front reflector and fix it onto the handlebar. Install the fenders. Remove the protection rod. Insert the quick release lever from right to left and pre-tighten. Align the axle grooves to install the front wheel. Tighten the nut and the handle. Screw in the pedal and tighten with an Allen key. Tighten the screws of the light holder. Paste the gasket stickers. Place the headlight onto the front fork. Fix with screws, washers, and nuts. Connect the wire. Install the wheel reflectors. Power on and test the e-bike. Check on the gears, throttle, and lights. Please have a full charge before go.